Konnichiwa, Mina. This is the Anime Guy, and welcome to this episode of Anime Guy Asks, where I ask you a anime-related question. I'll give you my answer, you give me yours. Comments and video responses are welcome. Today's question is, what are your expectations for DBZ Battle of Gods? My answer? My expectations, I don't have very high expectations for this film, to be honest with you. Because yes, I am a DBZ fan, but then I can't help wondering, why now? Because honestly, they could have just made this movie 1 or 2 years after the Wrath of the Dragon, I think it was. So why now? I honestly think that this is another way to milk the franchise, because with more movies means more characters, and more characters means more games, more merchandise, and it starts all over again. But my expectations might be blown away. Who knows? I'd rather have low expectations and then be surprised than have high expectations and be disappointed. Thank you for watching, and until next time.